Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be cooking some saucy lasagna. Come on with me, guys. So the saucy lasagna is just like making lasagna, except we're not going to be using noodles. So stay tuned to see what I use. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it really just doesn't matter what it is that you cook. You can do breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. You can even grill outside. You can go out to eat. You can just show us desserts, and the ideas are endless, guys. Now, Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. That's myself. Then we have Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor and More, and My Mountain Home and Kitchen. If I forgot anybody, I'll make sure and link them below. Now in this dish here, when I'm using ground beef, I like to use spaghetti sauce. I also like to use onions. You can use pretty much anything you like and just throw it into this dish. We want to flash fry the ground beef. So right here, I'm chopping up some onions because we love onions. If you don't, just omit them. Now, my house seasoning, or the seasoning I use always in everything, is always going to be salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, or Italian seasoning, or all four or five. Now, I never forget to use the olive oil. So this is going to get some olive oil, and then we're just going to go ahead and cook this down. Once you cook this down, then we'll move on to the next step. Now, in this instance right now, we are adding some chicken broth because we're trying to keep this saucy, and the chicken broth does give it flavor. So here also I am using a package of the Goya chicken bouillon in the powder form, and that's what I put in there. Again, all of this is to add flavor. Now, I hope you can see it, but we still have plenty of sauce, liquid inside of there. I'm adding more liquid, and we are adding some spaghetti sauce. And sometimes you want to go ahead and taste at this time if it needs more salt and pepper, or you can go ahead and wait toward the end. I'm going to give it another stir, and we're going to cover that and let that cook for about 10 minutes. Then I decided to go ahead and grab a bag of frozen broccoli and threw it in there. So of course the temperature now has to come back up, and then I'm adding water. So let's just keep doing this. We definitely don't want that water to dry up. We want to keep it nice and saucy and tasty. Now, after I let that stir, let's head on over to the reveal. I did add cheese, and so this is going to have cheese on top, and wait till you see what I put it over. Yes, I put this over rice. So this is cheesy lasagna over rice. And it's so delicious. It's really a good option in case you want to switch from the pasta. We absolutely love it because we come from a rice home. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Merry Christmas, guys.